In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Smartsheet dashboard from scratch. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished, shareable dashboard that turns your data into clear, actionable insights. Start by opening your Smartsheet account. Once you're in, head to the Home tab at the top. This is the hub where you can see your workspaces and all your sheets, which makes it easy to decide what information you want to bring into your dashboard. Next, create a new dashboard by selecting Create. Then, Dashboard or Portal. Give it a clear, descriptive name so your team recognizes its purpose at a glance, and click OK to open the blank dashboard canvas. Think of this canvas as your storyboard for data. You're about to place and arrange the pieces that matter most. Click Add Widget to start building. You can choose from widgets like Metric for key numbers, Chart for visual trends, Shortcut for quick navigation, Rich Text for context or instructions, and Report for table-style views. Drag and position widgets on the canvas to create a layout that's easy to scan. Top left for the most important information, with supporting details below or to the right. If you need access to Smartsheet or prefer to use it on mobile, I've placed a link to the website and the download links for the apps right at the top of the description so you can get set up quickly. To bring your dashboard to life, select a widget and click Configure. Link it to a sheet or a report with the data you want to display. Apply filters or choose specific columns so the widget shows only what's relevant, and double check that your sources are up to date to ensure real-time accuracy. Now, customize the visuals. Adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand and improve readability. Resize and move widgets to spotlight the most important information. Use charts to highlight trends over time. Metrics for KPIs like totals and percentages. And reports when you need sortable, detailed tables. Add a short, rich text block to explain what viewers are seeing and how to use the dashboard. Increase interactivity by enabling drill-down links on relevant widgets. And add buttons or shortcuts that guide users to underlying sheets, reports, or external resources. The goal is to make exploration effortless. When you're ready to share, click Share in the top right corner. Add viewers or editors by email and assign the right permission level so people can see or modify only what they need. Dashboards in Smartsheet transform raw data into visual insights, helping teams track performance, make informed decisions, and communicate clearly. Thanks for watching.